If you're a hard study at putting things together, taking them apart and putting them back together again, you might want to take photographs of this. I've taken some photographs of the wiring and know where all the wires go. So I know kind of where everything goes now when I put it all back together. When you put your motor in here, you have to put the fan in first. The fan only goes in one way, and you can tell which way it goes because of it has a nut there that holds it on, and if you turn it around it won't be that way, it won't be the right way. You want to turn the right way. This fan is also balanced. It has a little clip right here, and I believe that's the balancing clip. They put a little clip on there to balance it, and so you know that it's right when it spins, and it's not making any noise. There's no drag. Your motor turns freely. Everything's fine there. You've got 4 bolts holding on place. Probably 3/8. I used a 10 millimeter, but 10 millimeter seemed to work right. There's 2 pieces of tin that come off of this, and they slide just like so in there, like that. And then there's a piece that goes on the top here. I'm going to bolt it in place, and this holds the box that holds the circuit board and the wiring when I put it all in there. So let's get this all assembled, and I'll bring it into the house, and then I'll show you what I'm doing to clean the inside of the keep forgetting what that's called, evaporator. That's what it is. Alright,